So wagenze gakera to
urumva turahagarara neza kubera ukuntu babikina
muhene
ajya atera akantu dufesinge tugarura agapira
murahena gute
yafite imana gutera
munyereka ukuntu bahena segisirata
bahagarara gutya
kiracyana murimo muraseka iki nyeretse impano kinyara iriya nkanga ifite impano. So guys, I gonna try to see if I can go inside here because I was here in the school, my secondary school. So I gonna try really. I don't know if they gonna allow me to go inside. So let me see. Aba ni abanyeshuri baho. Okay, ngaho rero mugira ibihe byiza. Sibyo? See you next time. Yes. So guys, I going here. I gonna see if I gonna be allowed to go inside and see what's going on. Hi, how are you? Where is someone I can talk with to ask if I can the offices? Oh, who is here? Who is in charge of this school?
Patron has gone, even our patron.
It means no one is here around.
A head boy.
Who is the? Okay. Okay. Okay, I gonna ask someone to here. Let me see. Yo, salama bas. Salam. Mezete. Bari bambwiye ngo mbabaza ahantu nabona head boy. Niko mumwita duwaye nyine bwo ni head boy. Nize hano man, nize hano nitwa Giovanni tu narinje kureba kuntu hano hahindutse. Ariko hano habaye muri dormitory. Hano twarahariraga. Hanyuma dormitory zabaga pfiriye habaye iki? Nahize kera iri shuri ninjye waryizemo bwa mbere. None reba ryarashaje. Iri ngiri rino iyi block ira. So salamu musaza. Bimeze gute se? Nitwa Giovanni ndumu old school hano. Ni wowe head boy. Head boy ko mbona ari muto man. Uki mutafasha aba head boy ngo banini nkabari. Ni joke. Ndabizi. Ye nize hano. Urumva ntabwo nazamo hano ngo mfe kwinjira nta muntu mvugishije cyane ko mpaheruka kera wabona amategeko n'amabwiriza yarahindutse. So ngiye rero nkora video ariko niza ahangaha nageze hano kare ndi gutembera nkora ama video bita vlogging videos. You know them? Yes. Vlogging videos, it's like tourism videos. So I going taking videos and then upload them on my platforms. Yeah. So where is the other student? I see you have so few. Hi, how are you?
We have been done our study.
Yes. And what is the plan for the weekend? Yeah? What is your plan for
weekend? We make
some
some cleaning.
cleaning?
Prayer.
Yeah. It's the prayer. It's for everyone.
For everyone.
Yeah, we used to pray from here too. And this was our dormitory. Here was the tank, the water tank. And what's going on here?
Refectory.
Now you turn it in the factory.
Yep.
So we used to eat it from other side. They are on the dormitory. Yes.
Yes.
So something has changed, but not so much. We used to have a beautiful garden here.
Yeah, they cut the tree.
Yeah. Why did you cut the tree?
I don't know.
Oh, you came already cut. The tree was already cut.
Yeah.
Oh, so how is the school so far?
Cool.
Is it cool? Who is your headmaster today?
He's a new one.
Mm.
I think I don't get his name.
Oh, how long have you been here on this school?
The headmaster is new one.
Oh, he's new.
Yep.
So you was been here before with another headmaster. So let's go here on the playground. And you don't still praying this time? I see everything is already now. Yeah?
Oh, the way we didn't pray today, is that why?
It was some mud. So guys, here was the basketball playing ground, but today look, it is very old. Even I don't know where they play from. And
You know, we start the second term in a few weeks ago.
yeah, I remember.
That's why
Everything is mess here.
yeah.
And we used to have pork from down here.
Yeah.
We used to have a farm of porks.
Okay. For us, we didn't.
You don't have
don't have-
porks, you don't have any cows.
Yeah.
And what about that building there?
Is that the crossland?
Hmm?
Is that the crossing for level 3 mass
Oh,
building construction?
yeah, okay. So you know, when I was here, it was only O level.
Yeah.
Now you have some options.
We have only A levels.
A levels.
O level. We have construction,
Mm-hmm.
software,
Okay.
and accounting.
And accounting.
The construction they call building construction.
Mm.
Yep.
Okay.
Software development from level 3 up to level 5,
Mm.
and building construction from level 3 up to level 5,
Mm.
even accounting.
Account. They are how many?
3
3.
combinations.
And you performing good.
Yep, we're performing good.
And which year are you?
I think we are not many, but I think we are 152.
152. You still few.
Yeah.
And where is the girls' dormitory? Up here.
Yeah.
Oh. The school has been changed a bit.
Yeah.
Let's continue here. I like to stand by here. And what class are you now? You,
Yeah, in level 5.
level 5.
In senior 6.
Which course are you doing?
Software.
Software.
Yeah.
Okay, you like to be engineer.
Yeah,
Oh.
software engineer.
Okay, that is good. And that is the kitchen, or it is
The kitchen is
here?
yeah.
Here we was having a dormitory. And what is about that kitchen for school? Oh, you know, when I was here, this was primary and nothing else was there. It was only
There is
primary.
a primary
And
and secondary.
Oh, I have seen that. And how much here do you pay by monthly? Not monthly, term. Yes.
130.
130.
Yeah.
Things are not easy because when we was here, we was been paying maybe 15.
Oh,
Yes, 15, if I remember so good. And also we was a few, also it was about 100 something. It
Yeah.
was not much. And how is the other school there, Groupe Scolaire? They are still performing good?
Yeah, they are still, you know. They are
It is
still
a government
the government
school.
Yeah.
So the school here, guys, it is still looking the same. They have been added some other construction, like this one here. This is the workshop.
Yeah, it's the workshop.
Okay, those two, they are new for me.
Yeah.
This one also, it is new. This is the dormitory, women or girls dormitory. You know, when I was here, we was having dormitory, toilets, these classrooms, those classrooms. And here in the, we used to use this building as a dormitory, men's dormitory before, and
This
then
one?
yes, and then after
Yeah.
it becomes a refectory.
Okay.
So then we go there to sleep there. Now it is the refectory. So they changing as it was before.
They change. I think like in 3 years they have been changed.
Mm.
This school like 2 times.
Okay, and which class is this? Hmm?
This is accounting.
What's wrong with here? There is a mud water.
Yes.
Okay. This is
The level 5 is
level 5.
all 3 combinations. They are studying
In this block.
this block.
Okay.
That is a direction.
Mm. You know, direction was down here office before.
For me, when I get here,
Mm.
that was the factory.
Yeah, definitely. That
Our
I left the thing
boys' dormitory was there outside
Oh,
the school.
outside.
Yep.
Oh no, we used to stay to sleep there in the refectory now, which is the factory now.
Okay.
And this house was for diocese, was not for the school. Our school actually was finishing from here. Yes, and it was a street here, goes to diocese.
Okay.
So things has been changed really.
Yep.
Yes, and do you still have a canteen?
Yep.
Where? Let's
You
see.
know that canteen was
Yeah,
here.
was here, I remember.
They been changed. There.
Mm. And by the way, I forget to ask your name.
My name is Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Okay, Daniel. My name is Giovanni, but known as DJ KGL. And my YouTube TV, it is called the Haso Yangu Show KGL. So, Haso Yangu Show KGL. And this was the lab here.
Yeah, it's still this lab.
Oh, it is still lab.
Then
And the offices was here.
there is a discipline
Here.
teacher's room. Then the canteen is here.
The canteen. Let's see what's going on there. But there is no. Wait. Hi.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm fine.
We like to pass. Okay. Niwe ko dushaka byeri se ntabwo mugira byeri abo bana si ubwo bafata gute nta byeri abatari hano higa abantu barengeje imyaka 18 barahari. None se duhaye nkugurira iki? Energy basuri businzire ahubwo energy ntabwo yari kagombye gucuruzwa mu banyeshuri. ni nka byeri rega
Eh,
ntabwo isindisha ariko it's harmful.
baravuga ngo iyo urengeje imwe niho biva.
Njye ntabwo njya nk'ibintu bidakonje. Bring him and muhereza inaci. You can take something else. You have been nice with me. Ariko se ko nabonye hariya kuri compassion nta vibes zikihaba. Kandi turi Friday.
Bajyayo muri weekend.
Weekend?
Kuwa gatandatu.
Haracyaba compassion se? Umva se? Nangahe? Nta kindi kintu ufata se?
Wowe mwohereza amafaranga ikindi ndagaruka.
Okay. Let's see.
Nayo buyifasha. Akira
Okay. Mukoresha iki kode? Yimbwire turangize. Okay, sawa murakoze. I gave her 2K, so I don't know how we're gonna manage. Okay. No, say, where is the other students? I can see few.
They are in dormitory. Other on they are make a practice for tomorrow.
The church for church.
The church. For the prayer.
But tomorrow it's Saturday.
Yeah, it's a Saturday. We make a prayer Saturday at 6 p.m.
Oh, in the morning? In the
In
evening?
the evening.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and which plan do you have this evening now?
Oh, like
After cleaning, after doing some stuff for here, and what's going on after?
we're going to have dinner. After dinner,
Mm-hmm.
we'll see like
Movie?
or
Oh,
music. Even when there is a
you
match.
don't have revision on Friday?
On Friday we don't have a revision.
Mm.
We start make a revision like Sunday
Mm.
at 6 p.m.
What kind of entertainment do you have here?
I think it's all entertainment. We make it. Even we play football.
Mm.
There are dancers,
Okay.
fashion,
Oh,
many a lot of.
and we used to have something in back in the days the name was called the boom, like
Yeah, like
do you have
at this Friday we don't have it,
mm,
but next Friday
Mm.
we will have it.
okay, which how long you take when
Like
you have
6 up to 8
6 up to 8,
p.m.
and then after you go
in the
To-
factory.
in the refectory, then you go to sleep.
Sleep, yeah.
So it means you don't have any revision in the week during weekend days.
Weekend days we have revision like at Sunday.
On Sunday,
On Sunday, yeah.
but Friday, Saturday,
Saturday, no.
you
But
don't have.
We make some timetable
Mm.
for Friday.
Even tomorrow morning you will not have
We
revision.
tomorrow morning,
Mm.
no. we
You
will
wake
not
up, make
cleaning,
cleaning,
Yep,
and then refectory,
the factory,
and then you
make some activities for.
till again the evening.
Yep.
Oh.
But on Friday,
Here we
the
used to
first-
have a revision even in weekend days.
in the weekend days we have only one revision day, like on Sunday. On Sunday, like 6
Okay.
6 up to 8.
Mm.
Yeah.
And are you allowed to go out, or if you go, you meet some,
We are not allowed to go out.
or you stay here?
We stay here.
Maybe if you have some permission, you can.
If you have some permission, you can go outside.
Mm,
But if you don't have it, it is a problem.
okay.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
where
because
is your home? Like, where you come from?
for me,
Mm.
Kigali, Kichuchiro.
Kichuchiro.
Center.
Santry.
Yep.
Oh, I am actually living in Kagarama.
Oh,
Yes.
right.
So, bro, I was passing by, like to see what's going on. It was I left this school in 2002,
Oh,
so it was a long time.
the year that I
There is
born.
some change, but not so many really.
Mhm.
And here down here, I can't go inside in group scolaire, but I have seen it like all the school.
Yeah, it's out.
Yeah, it's buildings. They never renovate buildings. Everything is like before. The same here.
Yeah,
Yeah. So it was a pleasure to meet you,
yeah.
and anytime we should meet again in Kigali.
Yeah.
Yes, my name is Giovanni or DJ KGL. My YouTube channel Hasoyangu Show KGL. You can, if sometime you can check what's going on. So my video of today, I gonna break it from here because it's now. I have a message of money paying. So now it's 6:05. So it's kind rate. So I needed to go to see if I can get a bike.
Okay.
Okay, so see you, bro.
See you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Sawa man, let's go to Kigali, guys. Wherever you're watching me from, it's me, DJ KGL. I was coming to visit my old school here. As you can see, I have been meeting the guy here. He's a head boy. We used to call head boy. Today they call them head boy, but for us back in the days we called them Douai, which was like head boy today. So this is the school where I was coming today, and check what's going on. This is my old school, guys. So let me go and get bike or something else so that I am tired. I am very tired, but it's okay. My purpose was this today. I have showed you many things. Salama. Ubwo bwatsi uri kwahira n'ubw'inka? Oh. So guys, I was there before showing you that place. It is a diocese of Shyogwe. It is the big church of Protestant church. So here they are wasting water. You can see water is wasting, and water is going everywhere. So then they need to come and fix it. So this is group scolaire of Shyogwe. I was here in that time, 2002. So this is what's going on here, and it's Friday evening, 6:30. Look here, they can pass by here. We used to pass these ways. So this is a school which is very old school. The school here was started in 46. The school was started. So let's go and see. I like to go by bicycles because I told you guys I need to manage. So still here they was having this canteen here, and they still having that really. So I gonna like to take a photo here, which is like a kumbu memory. So there is another school here which I didn't left here. It's new for me. So let's go, guys. It's night now. It's the night. So I gonna go get a bicycle here, and I gonna see if I can go and stop a little bit at that big center over here. It's not big, it's a shopping center. So let's go and see if I can find someone there I know. Groupe Scolaire Saint-Etienne Shyogwe. Which one is this one? They say they have primary, O level, A level. These things they have. It's in. There is another new school there from the primary I have seen. It's maybe the same. And here they praying from the street. So uraswase. So these guys, they are praying from the street. I like to see if I can have someone here in that center, in that shopping center. I gonna see if I can have someone. They have water here going down here. So let's be there, guys. Let's be there. You know this street of the way because I was coming from this street. So for saving my power, camera power, I gonna stop by here, and then we gonna meet in the center, in that shopping center. And remember, on Friday they have a local market which takes place in the evening in that center I am heading to. So those people you can see, they are coming from there. So let's go and see there, guys. See you there, guys.